Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of these is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? I'm actually here in my studio, but this system lets me create any camera angle, any location, and any scenario without filming anything or having to be in front of the camera. This video isn't about creating AI slop. No, I want to show you how you can leverage yourself and technology in order to produce more videos that make more money or get more views without more effort. And I'm actually personally using this on my YouTube channel, and I've gotten millions of views with some of the tools that I'll share with you in just a second. I use the following tools in order to post daily when I'm traveling, to create professional looking shots without expensive gear, and to test different content styles without reshooting. My AI avatars have generated over 1 million views, and I'm going to show you the exact 3-step framework that makes this possible. Using the latest tools such as Nano 2 Pro, ChatGPT 1.5, or whatever AI image generator you prefer, and I'm gonna use VEED Fabric in order to get super high quality lip-synced videos. Throughout this video, I'll share some of the resources with you that you can access with the link in the descriptions, and I'll give you a really quick tutorial on how to use all of these different tools. I promise you this is simple, so here's what we're building. First, how to generate consistent character images that actually look like you. Then I'll show you how to bring these images to life with perfect lip sync. And third, I'll show you how to stitch multiple shots into a polished video. And at the end of this video, I'll share with you how you can make money with this, get more views, or what use cases you should use this tool for. Let's go. To get started, we can use Nano Pro or ChatGPT 1.5 or whatever other AI image generator that you prefer in order to create the base image that we will use as starting point for the video. To do that, go over to gemini.google.com and you can use this tool for free in order to get access to Nano Pro. Then you want to upload an image of yourself, and this can be any type of image. For example, here's an image I just took of myself in the studio. Drag that in here and give it a prompt. For example, you can say something as simple as create a picture of me in a coffee shop, or you can give it a more elaborate prompt like this one. Here's the result of me in a coffee shop, and here's the other one. If you need help with coming up with good prompts to get better results, I'll leave the link below for custom GPT that gives you high quality prompts every single time that get you better results. And on top of that, let me show you how you can create those images with ChatGPT directly. If you click on the link in the description, you can have access to my Headshot Studio Pro, and in here upload 1 or more images of yourselves and give it a prompt like create an image of me in a gray sweater in a modern yet minimalistic looking office with lots of plants in a cozy vibe. It should look like a startup office. The picture of me should be upper body and face. And you can create images directly here within ChatGPT. While this is loading, let's create another image of myself in a more extreme style so that you see that this lip syncing works in really any kind of environment as long as there is a good clear face in the video. To do that, I'll head over to Gemini and I'll give it a more elaborate prompt and see what it comes up with. In the meantime, here are 4 options that I can choose from. I'll reprompt this to say in vertical format because we want to create a vertical video and make the person look exactly like me. Here's me on a helipad. I don't like that I'm wearing an orange t-shirt, so let's change that. And I'm also telling it to do it in the 16:9 format vertical shot. Sometimes the format prompting doesn't work, so the workaround is to upload an image that is in a similar format to that you want. But in this case, it was able to do it quite well. And you can also use other tools in order to generate these images of yourselves. But this video is not about this image generation, so if you want to see more of those kind of videos, I have more coming up soon, so subscribe to this channel and you'll learn all about tips and tricks in order to do this better. So here's the image that ChatGPT generated. I think I look a little bit plain here, but let's go with that anyways. Let's download this image, let's download this image, and let's now create the lip sync video and the clones of myself. To do that, head on over to VEED.io and sign up for a new account. I'm leaving a link in the description to get some special perks as well. Once you're signed in, you'll see a workspace with other videos that you've created, but you can simply click on the generate with AI or click on create a new project. Let's click on generate new project. Within VEED, we have access to all these different types of top tier video models. For example, Sora 2, Veo 3, WAN 2.2, and the video tool that we'll be using for the lip syncing is VEED Fabric. VEED Fabric is custom trained to make anything talk, and it does it super realistically, and it does the lip syncing and even the body movement super well that people don't even notice that they're AI. It also does this with animations, and you can also make it sound more human as well. But this is also perfect for social ads as well as UGCs. So now let's select VEED Fabric. Down here, you see that you can add a character or add audio, and we're gonna go with the audio selection here so that we can actually use my personal voiceover. You can either select one of the characters here that looks super realistic, or you can upload your own. So now let's create the video. I'm gonna start a recording here, but also talk directly into the camera so we can compare them against each other. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? And here we have it. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. Perfect. So we can save this. Let's call it AI Avatar 1, and I'm going to save it in this folder. Let's first start with our ChatGPT generated image. And once you've selected a character as well as the audio, you can simply click on Generate. While this is working, let's try a few of the other ones that we generated. For example, I created this crazy looking one of myself. So let's use this one. Let's create another one here. And we've already downloaded this one, so let's go with this one next. Simply click on Generate Video, select VEED Fabric, give it the audio file and the starting image, and hit Generate. And let's do it one more time. And to see how it compares to the real me, let's upload an image of myself and see how it can sync my lips without me having to record anything.
A few moments later.
Let's now check out how the videos turned out. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? Wow, that's awesome. With my voiceover, that video looks super real. And I bet if I posted this on my Instagram or on my TikTok or my YouTube Shorts, no one would notice. I've actually done this a couple times and people haven't been able to tell. Let's check out the second one where the background looks super fake and AI with a golden helicopter. But let's see how the lip sync turned out. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? I love that it added the hand movements as well as the emotions to this character. This is great. I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? Once again, the hand movement and the preservation of the face and even adding the wrinkles as I'm talking is super, super good. I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? And here's one where I'm further away, so let's see how that turned out. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? So this one, it did the hand movements, but if you look really closely at my eyes, you can see that they don't look that real. There's like a little bit of level of detail missing that makes it look a little bit fake. So I would say out of all of the ones we tried out, this is the worst, but it's still really good. And you can only really tell if you pay really close attention. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? And let's now compare the real person versus my fake clone. Right now, I'm in 3 places at once. One of them is real and 2 are AI. Can you tell which is which? Wow, I love how real this looks, and honestly, most people wouldn't be able to tell unless they really know me or pay really close attention to very subtle tells. This is super helpful in helping me scale my content production business because I don't need to be in my studio all the time in order to create high quality content. And by the way, if you're wondering, the one that you're talking to right now, I'm real, no worries. This completely helps me speed up my whole production process. All of my long form content on my channel is real. However, as you can see, I create almost 1 short form content a day, and I wouldn't be able to do this without my AI clone. In fact, my 2 most popular videos have gotten over 1 million views, and they are both my AI clone of myself. And a lot of my top performing videos are actually of my AI clone. And I'm actually generating ad revenue from these AI clone videos because it's not against Google's policy as long as you clearly label it. The other use cases I see for this technology are pretty clear. You can create ads with this, you can create UGC content, you can do product review videos, and you can do pretty much anything as long as you're creative enough. Let me show you one more tip of how VEED.io is not only a great AI video generator, but it also helps you edit and organize all of your content. If you go back here, you can either download this file directly or you can add it to a project. Once you add it to a project, you get it down here in the timeline. And here you can edit it however you like. You can use some of their other AI tools to expand the corners and turn this from a vertical into a horizontal video. And I made another video on that already, so check that out on my channel. It also allows you to use other AI filters, for example, add eye contact, remove the background, or create a face filter or green screen of yourself. It also allows you to easily add AI transitions or B-roll that are based on AI images, which makes the videos way more engaging. And lastly, another feature that I like using is the AI doubling tool. If I click on this, I can simply translate myself into another language, for example, Spanish, and it even matches my voice tone. And you can simply click on dub video and it will create it for you right here. Once you add the different videos to your timeline, you see this works like a regular video editing tool, which allows you to add different timelines and cut different videos together. And once you're done editing this video with B-roll footage as well as with sound design or songs, which you can also do within this platform, you can simply either share this video or share this with one of the editors in your team and click on done and export this video in whatever quality you want. If creating videos and images with AI is interesting to you, I made a super comprehensive guide on how to create photorealistic AI images that you can then use for business purposes, and I compared all of the best tools as well as give very detailed prompt on how to get better results. You can see this alongside the the other resources I've mentioned, as well as a special VEED.io link down in the comments. So check those out if any of those sound interesting and helpful to you. If you stuck around until here, thanks so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Leave a comment with your thoughts or subscribe if you want to see more things like this, and I'll see you in the next one.